Hey y'all, so today is all about the App Store. Yes, the Shopify App Store. You know I love Shopify. If you've been here for a long time, I love Shopify. I'ma stick beside it. If you have never watched one of my videos, I love Shopify, and you're gonna see why today, because the App Store is amazing. It really can take your business to the next level, help increase your revenue, and you can really play around with all of these, see what works for you, see what doesn't. But the bottom line is that I've used a lot of these, I've tried a lot of these, and it will turn your blank canvas of a website into like a sales machine. It will reconvert customers. It will make people feel comfortable buying from you. It will make people want to come back over and over again. And that's ultimately what you want for your t-shirt brand or whatever it is that you sell, right? But today, you know what? I was feeling like, let me give out these app recommendations, because we all can use an extra boost in sales right now, okay? We all need it. We all need a little bit more money. So I wanted to give you these and try them out and see what works for your business. But before we get started, please make sure that you are subscribed, all right? Help me help other people. Help me grow my channel so that other people can start their businesses and grow and learn and all of that, right? Thank you so much for supporting me always and my brand. So let's jump right into number one. So the first app is going to be the free shipping bar. All right. Number one, who don't love free shipping? You don't love free shipping? Because I love free shipping. All right. Even as a business owner, I cringe having to charge my customers or shipping, but I have to, because I gotta pay USPS to ship, or I have to pay the dropship company or the print on demand company to ship it for me. So I have to charge customers to ship, but you can also put the cost of shipping into the product and do it that way. But listen, the free shipping bar gives you so many opportunities for your customers. It helps you to be able to target customers in certain places, which means that customers in one place can see one shipping offer or one deal, and customers in another place can see shipping offers and see something. It has like holiday, different shipping offers there. Like I've used it before. Any way that you can offer incentives for people, you want to jump on, and free shipping bar has been one that I think will be a game changer for you in your t-shirt store. So definitely check out the free shipping bar. So number two, and like I said, this is all inside of the Shopify app store. So you want to go in there and you can type in the actual app that I'm giving you. Other apps that are similar will pop up, or for some of these, there are some competitors that may work best for you. Either way, just make sure that with what I'm saying about the app, that you can find that if you're interested in kind of adding that to your t-shirt store or your e-commerce store, right? So number two is going to be ReConvert. Now listen here. ReConvert says they're going to help you up your revenue by 15%. And I'm like, is that right, ReConvert? Now, the thing about ReConvert is that they're going to help you with upsells, which obviously is going to help you drive more revenue. But also, if you can get somebody to buy something from you and then turn right back around and buy something else, that is what you want, because it's always easier to get somebody to swipe their card again if they have trusted you for the first time. And to me, it's the confidence. For me, ReConvert says 15%. So I think it's worth a try for you to check out ReConvert in the Shopify app store. So the third Shopify app that I think that you should try out, check out, look into, even if it's not this exact one, is going to be SMS Bump. Now, you really want to have a way to directly communicate with your customers off of social media, right? You want to be able to reach them, because you know how many times Instagram is down, and who knows what's going to happen with everything else. And emails are great, right? You definitely want to have a great email marketing platform, but SMS is a way for you to reach people immediately, because we always got our phones in our hands, right? So a good SMS company for you to connect to your Shopify store is going to be amazing. And SMS Bump, they promise to help you to really reach your customers by segmenting different customers, by having like abandoned cart checkout text messages go to them, which means when people come to your website and let's say they just look around but they don't buy, SMS Bump will help you to send them a text message to say, what happened to you? You ain't gonna buy? Right? And that's what we need. Sometimes you gotta bully people because they be playing around. But that's I got a little upset, but yes, SMS Bump will help you, or a really good tech service to help you connect to your store get access to your customers, reach them via SMS, and help you to segment customers, offer different incentives, and all of that. So check out SMS Bump. So the number 4 app is going to be Judge Me, and the app is actually like Judge period then me. And this will help you to grow your sales with trusted reviews. So, you know, when you go on places like Amazon or any store, you want to see, like, is the product good or not? Because I ain't trying to buy this if it's not that good. So Judge Me will allow for you to get some really good reviews, show them off, and, you know, be able to build trust with people who want to buy from you, to know that you have a really good product that somebody else has also purchased. And listen, if you are starting off and you're new, hey, if your friends and family are purchasing from you, tell them, go on here, leave me a good review, right? You can offer incentives to people for leaving you reviews. Like, hey, you leave me a review, you get 15% off. You leave me a review, you get this off your next purchase. But make sure that you have some way to let people know that people are not only just buying from you, but people actually like the product that they're getting from you, because that's important. Don't nobody want to buy no janky product. We want to know, especially with t-shirts, like, how does it fit? Should I order this one? Should I order that one? What's the best plan of action? And we do that a lot. And you want to know, like, is this going to be worth my money? Right? So Judge Me is a great app for that. There are other options out there, but make sure to check out Judge Me in your Shopify app store. Number 5 is Sales Pop-Up. So with this app, there are actually several different ones that you can use. There are some on there called Pop or Sales Pop, or I have one on my website as well. So what this does is actually build trust with customers to let them know that other people have also purchased from you. So not just the reviews, but showing people like, hey, when you log onto my website, you may see like Angela in Birmingham just purchased this t-shirt. So that gives people like, whew, okay, I'm not the only person buying it, right? Because we want to know that we're buying something that people like they like it too. So cool, I'm good. I'm in the game. I'm in the in crowd. We all here together. So you want to build that on your website. You want to show people that other people are on your website too. You want to show people that other people are, I just said other people a lot, but you want to show people that other people are interested in your product and that they're also buying it. And if you are a new business owner and you don't have that many sales coming in, there are services that do offer just random pop-ups for you to make it look like, or to make it appear like you have a lot of sales going on to your website. And sometimes that's necessary because you want to show people that so that they can also purchase. And the biggest thing is that you want to make sure that people don't feel like your product is going to be there all the time. You gotta drive that scarcity. You got to make it feel like your product is limited, that it's not always going to be there, and that people got to hurry up and get it or they may miss out, right? Just like Jordans. If Jordan was always available, the retros, you could just go buy them in the store, people wouldn't be as excited. But because you know that there's a limited amount, you go rushing in there, you know, to buy them. So make people feel like, hey, everybody is buying this, so I really need to get this t-shirt because it may not be around for that long. Create that scarcity in your brand for your t-shirts, and people will be more, they'll rush a little bit more to get your shirt. All right, so try a pop-up service that will show people, hey, people are buying this, I may need to go ahead and get mine, or else it's gonna be sold out. And some of them have like the option where they can put on there only 3 left, or Shanice just bought a shirt and she lives in Atlanta, but this one is about to be out of stock. And also, you know, when you go on a website, I know for me when I'm shopping and I see and it's like 25 other people looking at this, and I'll be like, hold on now, I don't want y'all to take my stuff. And because I do this and because I'm a business owner, sometimes I be thinking they be playing and they don't be playing. Be 25 other people watching and my stuff is gone. But either way, you want to create some way to show people that other people are shopping on your website and other people are purchasing your product. So check out a sales pop-up or anything to show people that other people, I have said people so much, but some way to show your customers that people are interested in your product. The next one, number 6, is back in stock. And this is really great for you and for your customers. For you, it'll let you know what people are actually interested in. And like I said, you've created some scarcity. You showing people like, hey, our stuff is not always in stock. So you'll see like, okay, people really, really want this one back. So you can really drive some excitement on that. And for your customers, it lets them know that you actually care about what they want and that they're able to receive an in-stock alert if that product ever comes back. So a back in stock alert is really great to kind of show your customers that you care about them and you are listening to their needs, which is really, really important. So number 7 is frequently bought together. And I love this app because it really helps you to drive sales because customers get to visually see the items that other people have bought together, or if it's just a random configuration that the app put together, it's still great for people to see. If they can get a t-shirt, a journal, and a mug at the same time, not only does it help you and get you more money, but you can offer them an incentive. It's great for them. They have purchased all of it together. So it's a win-win. I love that app, and I definitely think that you should add it to your Shopify store just so that people are not just buying one thing at a time. Show them that you have other things to offer them, and frequently bought together can show them how all of those things together are going to make their lives so much better. So definitely check out frequently bought together. Number 8 is the spin wheel, and you have probably seen this app on a lot of different stores, big and small. The spin wheel is great because it offers all of these different discounts that people can get. You do want to make sure before you put the spin wheel on your website that you are able to cover, maybe a higher discount like a 30 or 40%, but just make sure you can cover the discounts that you're offering. But people love an incentive, and you want to give people an incentive to buy. And so the spin wheel is fun because people get to come on there, see how much they actually can get from you, and you can also collect your emails, which is what you need. You want to be able to get as many emails as possible so that you can continue to sell to your customers through email marketing. So check out the spin wheel. And last but not least, and there are so many apps in the App Store, but these are just some of my favorite ones that I definitely think that you should try. And number 9, I was bullied into getting this one by the most amazing Facebook ads manager in the world, Leon. He was like, hey, you gotta get sticky cart on your website as soon as possible. And he was not letting up. I'm like, dang, is the app that great? It's that great, y'all. And I'm gonna tell you why. Because the sticky cart follows the customer around all over the website. So if they forget that they got something in their cart and they just leave, you don't know. The sticky cart is just gonna literally follow them around the website. The little cart goes everywhere. And the best thing about it is that once they have everything they want and they click on their sticky cart, it takes them straight to checkout. It does not go to a shopping cart page, so you bypass that page. Why is that important? Because you want to get people to check out as fast as possible. So I love sticky cart. I'm glad he bullied me about it. I know he probably gonna be watching this, but you bullied me about it. But I'm glad he did, and I definitely want to bully you too about it. Please get sticky cart for your website so that you make sure people get to check out very, very fast. That's what's important, right? Your t-shirt website can look amazing, but if people aren't checking out, if people don't feel like they can trust you, if people don't feel like you're offering them some type of incentive or that you really care about them, they may look all day and never buy. So check out the App Store so that you can kind of transform your t-shirt brand into a sales machine, get more sales, up your revenue, and everything that you need to do. All right. Hopefully these help you. Of course, you can leave your questions and your comments below. Check out the description box so you can see like my free t-shirt webinar and all the things that I have to offer you. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, subscribe. We want to get and reach as many people as possible, but I appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you next time.